Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about Banknote Press Divas selection process, examination pattern, and also the syllabus that you have to consider for your preparation. All of this will be covered in this video.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
First off, we are going to look at the selection process. The officials are going to conduct two phases of examination, which is a BNP online test and BNP typing skill test and a stenography test. Now we'll see what is the examination pattern for both of these exams. First off, for the post of a supervisor, the examination pattern is as follows. There will be a number of sections here. The sections are as follows: professional knowledge, general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude section. Now for all of these questions, you will have 40 questions in each, carried for 40 marks. Only for first section, which is the professional knowledge section, they will give you 40 questions and you have the marks weightage will be for 80. The rest will be for 40 questions and 40 marks. It's an even same. And the total number of questions are 200. The marks are 240. All of this particular examination will be conducted in 120 minutes. Heading over to next post, which is a junior technician post, and the examination pattern is as follows. You will have 4 sections for this particular examination, which is general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude section. Now for all of these 4 sections, you will have 40 questions in each and carried for 40 marks. The total is 160 for 160 and the time duration is 120 minutes. Heading over to some of the main points that you have to note down are as follows. Please note that the paper will be only in objective type in nature and the paper will be conducted only through an online mode, and if you give correct answer, 1 mark will be awarded, and please note that there is no such negative marking, and the online test for all of the posts will be bilingual, which means you can either take up the examination in English as well as in Hindi. So according to the option that you choose, you can take up the examination except for English language section. The rest can be taken up in your own chosen language. Next points which you have to remember, or the next section of the examination, is the typing skill test and the stenography test. Now there is a typing skill test for junior office assistant post, and the candidates will be shortlisted after the written examination for the typing skill test. So only if you get qualified in the written examination, you will be selected for the typing skill test. Now this typing skill test will be based on computer, where you have to type 40 words per minute or 30 words per minute in Hindi, either in Hindi or in English, depends on the language that you are choosing. Now the candidates can attempt this typing skill test either in Hindi or in English. Now as mentioned earlier, when you are filling in the application form, please cross-check carefully which language you are choosing. Either you are choosing English or Hindi. In the same wise, your typing skill test will be followed. Also, there will be a steno typing test, which will be qualifying in nature again, and please note that these marks will not be added to the final merit list, and there is no such interview conducted. Only there will be 2 phases of examinations, which is the MCQ, the objective test, and then followed by the typing skill test and the steno test. There will be no interviews as such. Heading over to the syllabus. For general awareness section, the topics are history, geography, polity, Indian national struggle, economy, general science, current affairs, and the rest of the topics which are mentioned here on the screen are equally important, not just the topics which I am repeating. The reasoning ability sections are as follows: Venn diagrams, analogy, arithmetical reasoning, clocks and calendars, matrix reasoning, statement, mirror image and water image, cube and dice, puzzles, inequity, coding and decoding. The next section is the quantitative aptitude section. For this particular section, the topics are quadratic equations, profit and loss, number series, simple and compound interest, ratio and proportion and partnership, speed, time and distance, geometry, mixtures and allegations. For general English section, sentence improvement, direct and indirect speech, para jumbles, reading comprehension, closed test, active and passive voice, antonyms and synonyms, fill in the blanks, etc. For further queries, or if you have any questions, place them in the comment section and we will answer them. Subscribe to Freshers Now, and thank you for watching.